Okay, so we're not actually going to compare the $30,000 Ford Maverick to the $400,000 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. But I did want to take this opportunity to show you all who care about sound systems what the difference is between a low-tier sound system, this being a D-tier sound system in our evaluation, compared to one of the best we've ever tested, a full-fledged S-tier sound system in the Cullinan. So if you do want to see any more on these vehicles, we've got plenty of videos on the Maverick and plenty on the Cullinan as well. I'll put the links to all of them in the description. But without any further ado, let's get to it. We're going to start with some tracks in the Maverick, listen to some of our sample tracks that you've heard time and time again, listen to the same tracks in the Cullinan. And we're also going to do some real tracks, some that I would use in the members only videos. So if you do want to see those, you will have to sign up to become a Daily Motor member because they will be copyrighted. I'll essentially have a longer version of this video for the members. If you're interested in seeing that one, check out the join button. I'll throw the link in there as well. We're going to leave that one running with the AC on blast to keep my camera cool, but we'll turn the engine off once we actually get to testing it. And for the Maverick, get the windows up, close that little back window. So like I said, this is a D-tier sound system. It's rocking the 6-speaker bass audio system from Ford. Got our USB stick in. Oh, and our folder is empty. That's encouraging. Already off to a great start, eh? Sources. Oh, it's because we're not on the right track. There we go. We're going to go flat EQ as always. There we go. Maverick sound system isn't awful for what this vehicle provides. It's just not great in an objective standpoint. And one aspect of it that really kills the audio system is the road noise at 70. That's why when we do our typical sound system tests, we do them at 70 miles per hour. So I'll put in a little footage from the Maverick sound test at speed here. Very slappy, very messy. Neat. So you can see a lot of road noise and intrusion from wind and everything, and that's something that you don't get in the Cullinan, which just makes it sound that much better. But let's pause these tracks and plug in our Apple CarPlay. We'll do a few of the members only tracks real fast. All right, let's get this one off, unplug everything, and hop on into the rolls. Hopefully that's about 20 degrees Fahrenheit inside right now. AC blasting. I'm surprised our camera's holding out as long as it is. It's hard for these GoPros to run all these mics and videos. Whew, yeah, it's actually chilly in here. So let's do, get that down. Get our tracks plugged in. Make sure our audio EQ is zeroed out. not be picking up on from just watching this via YouTube is the vibration through my seat and the way little elements of the song and the tweeters, they bounce off the windshield and create such a full effect. But again, talking about what these vehicles sound like at speed, here's some of the footage of the Rolls-Royce from our sound system test doing 70 miles per hour. Okay, let's turn this down and do some of the members only tracks. Now, because we have wireless CarPlay in here, we can simply switch on over. Even Nickelback sounds good on the Rolls-Royce. All right, so thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully that's gonna come out cool. I don't know what this is gonna sound like, and I don't know how well the differences are gonna be picked up. The compression, obviously, on YouTube and everything. But I'm curious too to listen back to it, especially using headphones, and see how different it sounds on camera from a D tier audio system all the way up to an S. So thank you all so much for watching. If you do want to see more on any of the sound systems or any of these two vehicles, check out Daily Motor. Check the links in the description. And we'll see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.